this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can brighten up your eyes by using the tool PowerPoint. Without further ado, let's get to the tutorial. Zoom into your headshot right here, go to insert and then go to shape, and then I'm just gonna put two circles in right here, and we're gonna go like so, and we're gonna put that one like so as well. Now let's zoom into this circle, and I'm actually going to change the fill to be for the most part transparent but not completely. So as you can see, this is kind of going off my eye and actually going into my eyelid, so I want to actually crop part of this circle so it's not showing the entire roundness, but it's like cutting it off so it's cut on the top and cut on the bottom.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So I'm going to show you guys what I mean by that. So we go here to insert, shapes, and then I'm just going to go to freeform shape, and then I'm going to go right here, click, and then click and click. We're just going to close off the shape. Then we're going to go to edit shapes, edit points, and we're just going to kind of put it like so. And I'm actually going to delete this point right here. And then we're just going to try to see if we can get like a nice kind of smooth cropping here. So, and I'm going to actually make this transparent so we can see what we need to get out, and maybe make it like so. All right, so that's looking pretty good, and that's going to chop off that little piece of circle right there. I'm just going to copy and paste this and then flip it around by holding down shift, and then do the same thing for down here. Now we're gonna probably have to change it up a little bit. Alright, so that's looking good. So now let's actually combine these two shapes together by doing union. So it's not actually combined, it's just called union. So now that's just one shape, and we can make it a solid fill just cuz. And then we got this circle shape. So now I'm basically going to chop off that little extra on the top and the little extra on the bottom. So now what I have to do is I have to make sure my circle is selected first. Then I'm going to select by holding down shift and clicking on this shape. Then go to merge shapes and go to subtract. All right, so now we have that unique shape, and I actually can go in here and edit the shape. And if like I'm not happy with final results, I can still go in here and edit a little bit more. And all right, so now I'm going to just speed up doing the same thing on this eye, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. So now what I want to do is I actually want to select both of these, go here to format, then go here to union. So now they're going to pretend as they're one shape completely. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually click on my headshot right here, which honestly is massive. Apologize if none of you guys like seeing my beautiful face. I'm only kidding. We're now going to select this shape right here, and then go to format, and then merge shapes, and then now we're going to do intersect. Okay, so if you want your next Halloween presentation to look like this is an option. All right, so now we're just going to copy these eyeballs, undo, and now I can just kind of move these eyeballs as I wish. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go here over to format picture, and we're going to maybe, let's brighten them up a little bit. And don't go too crazy with this, because it's going to look weird the crazier you get with this. And then maybe more contrast.
Wow.
So this is what it looks like right now, and then without it, that's what it looks like. That is just a quick way to improve your eye colors by using PowerPoint if you don't have a tool like Photoshop. So if you guys did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate the support. Also, if you are interested in learning more about PowerPoint, I actually do offer a course on Udemy, so I have a link to that in the description below. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in future videos. Thanks.